Folks, I want to welcome a new sponsor to the show, Cajun Fryer.
This revolutionary line of premium deep fryers have become an outdoor standard for backyard chefs across America. Made in the U.S., Cajun fryers are unsurpassed in quality, dependability, and craftsmanship, with customer service second to none. Manufactured from 12-gauge steel construction throughout, the success of Cajun fryers is in the design of the burner flue. The burner is positioned 6 inches above the bottom of the oil reservoir and is at a 45-degree angle. This prevents food and/or batter from collecting on the burner and allows these particles to fall to the bottom. Because heat rises, the oil in the bottom of the reservoir never gets hot enough to scorch the fallen food or batter. This keeps the oil clean, cooking after cooking, while producing that first batch flavor time and time again.
You know, I do an elk fry and a fish fry every 5 days right here at the Elk Ranch, and this fish fry has already paid for itself this year in oil savings alone, not counting the time that it takes me to do this. It only takes me about 30 minutes to cook for about 20 guys, folks. You know, I've been knowing Robert and all the staff down there at Cajun Fryer in Homer, Louisiana for about 5 years now, and I was just down there last week. Folks, they showed me some new products they got coming out. They got broilers, they got smokers, they got some charcoal grills. Go to their website and check out some of these products, folks. They're great products. I'm going to show you a lineup of them next week. Now let's get back to the show.